Jane Fraser is a Scottish-American banking executive. Educated at Girton College, Cambridge, and Harvard Business School, she was a partner at McKinsey Company for 10 years before joining Citigroup in 2004. In 2019, she was named president of Citigroup and also CEO of Consumer Banking. In September 2020, Citigroup announced that she would replace Michael Corbat as CEO of the entire corporation in February 2021, becoming the first woman to head a major Wall Street bank. She was included on Fortune's Most Powerful Women in Business list in 2014 and 2015 and has been called the #1 woman to watch for 2 consecutive years by American Banker. Jane Fraser was born in St Andrews, Scotland. She attended Girton College, Cambridge, from 1985 to 1988, graduating with an BA in economics. After graduation, she worked as a mergers and acquisitions analyst at Goldman Sachs, London, from July 1988 to July 1990, then as a brokerage associate for Assessors Bursátiles, a Madrid-based securities broker, from August 1990 to June 1992. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.